Good morning, students. My name is Dr. Abhishek Kumar Mishra. I am Assistant Professor of Physics in Government Vishwanath Yadav Tamaskar Postgraduate Autonomous College, Durg, Chhattisgarh. Today, in this video lecture, I will explain the practical of JK flip-flop for MSc second semester students of Hemchand Yadav, Durg University, Durg. The object of this practical is experimentally verification of truth table for JK flip-flop. Logic circuit of digital system are either combinational or sequential. The output of combinational circuit depend only current inputs, while in sequential circuit depend not only on the value of input but also depend upon internal state of circuit. Basic building blocks are also called memory elements of a sequential circuit are the flip-flop. The flip-flops choose their output state depending upon inputs at certain interval of synchronized with some clock pulse applied to it. Any flip-flop has normal inputs present Qt as circuit inputs and two outputs, next state Qt plus 1 and its complement. Basically, flip-flop is a memory element that is capable of storing one bit of information. It is also called bistable multivibrator since it has two stable states, that is either 0 or 1. There are following four basic types of flip-flop. These are SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, D flip-flop and T flip-flop. In JK flip-flop, input J behaves like input S of SR flip-flop, which was meant to set the flip-flop. The input K behaves like input R of SR flip-flop, which was meant to reset the flip-flop. The logic symbol of JK flip-flop is shown here. In this figure, J and K represents input, while Q and complement of Q represent two outputs. For construction of JK flip-flop, there are following two methods. First method is by using SR flip-flop constructed from NOR latch. The second method is by using SR flip-flop constructed from NAND latch. In first method of constructing JK flip-flop uses SR flip-flop constructed from NOR latch and two other connections as shown in the figure. The second method of constructing JK flip-flop uses SR flip-flop constructed from NAND latch while two other connections as shown in the figure. For performing experiment, following methods have been used. First of all, connect the circuit as shown in the figure. Connect the two inputs J and K to logic level generator switches as shown in the figure. Connect the output Qn and its complement to logic level LED indicators. Proceed through the conditions given in the truth table. Record the results in the truth table and verify them with the standard value of Qn and its complement. The truth table for JK flip-flop is shown here. In this table, we see that the two inputs are represented by J and K and two outputs are represented by Qn and Qn plus 1, in which Qn represents present state while Qn plus 1 represents next state. When value of J and K both are equal to 0 means no pulse is applied, then in the output hold state condition is obtained. When value of J equal to 0 and value of K equal to 1 means in present state no pulse is applied, then reset state condition is obtained. When value of J equal to 1 and K equal to 0, in present state no pulse is applied, then in output we get set state condition. When value of J and K both are equal to 1 means in present state no pulse is applied, Then in next state, toggle state condition is obtained. After performing this experiment, the truth table of JK flip-flop are verified. In this experiment, following precautions have been done. The first precaution is all connections should be tight and proper. Use the clock pulse properly and read the triggering pulse carefully. So students, in this method we can perform this experiment of JK flip-flop, and in this method we verify the truth table of JK flip-flop. Hope you will understand it. Thank you.